And now, your first alert weather.
Outside, beautiful conditions all the way around as we take a live look at the Pocatello Farm Bureau sky cam. We have sunny conditions, and we're going to expect to see even warmer temperatures tomorrow and Friday, and this weekend's looking great. The only hiccup here is more wind in the forecast because we're going to drive in those warmer winds from the south. We're currently at 50 degrees right now in Pocatello as we look live to the Farm Bureau sky cam. Winds out of the west at 7 miles an hour. 47 degrees in Idaho Falls. No wind right now reported at the airport. Looks like the wind meter might be offline just right now, but the average wind speed we've been seeing out there in Idaho Falls has been about 5 to 10 miles an hour. We'll go to Rexburg. We got 47 degrees in the upper valley with winds out of the south at 6 miles an hour, so the wind chill's down to 44. That's what it feels like outside. High pressure coming in here along the west coast, and this ridge of high pressure sliding in here, and it's going to start to take up residence over the Four Corners as we get into your Thursday and Friday. And that's going to bump the jet stream up. It's going to bring in the warm air, but we're also pulling in some breezy conditions as we have some systems sliding on by to the north of us, and there's going to be a little bit of wet weather in around areas of Washington State, northern Idaho, and southern Canada here for Thursday. And as we go through in the next couple of days, we have some fronts blowing on by to the north. That's driving in those winds from the south. Now, the weekend, we are holding on to the warm temperatures, but we're pulling in more wind for Saturday and Sunday as we're getting a couple of breezy fronts blowing on in here from the northwest. So the temperatures will be into the 60s and 70s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but we're also going to be fighting some gusty wind with these passing cold fronts. As we take a look to the northwest, there's a system that's developing that's going to get in here by Monday and Tuesday for next week once we get past Easter, but we'll have partly to mostly cloudy conditions for this weekend. Tonight, though, still got the freezing overnight lows through tonight and tomorrow morning. Temperatures tonight getting back into the 20s. We'll have winds on average at about 10 to 15 miles per hour here for tomorrow, and then we're keeping the above average highs for the rest of this week with dropping temperatures past Easter. Now, a normal high for this time of the year would be at 52. Tomorrow's temperatures well into the 60s around Idaho Falls and the surrounding area. And as we go from city to city, you can see these nice numbers on the map with even the mountain locations warming up into the 50s. We got Pinedale, Wyoming at 52, still into the 40s for Star Valley, but 57 in Soda Springs, 56 in Lava Hot Springs, and 62 around McCammon. We'll be in the low 50s around Jackson and Driggs tomorrow with lows tonight back into the teens. 57 for the high in Rexburg with highs in central Idaho, aiming for the lower 60s in Chalice, 60 degrees in Salmon with temperatures in Idaho Falls at 61 tomorrow. Got you at 65 for Pocatello, 69 in Burley with 63 in around American Falls. And the temperatures are continuing to climb upward and onward as we head into this approaching weekend with highs in the upper 60s on Friday, lower 70s on Saturday and Sunday. It will be windy as we cruise into the weekend, and that's that warm air out of the southwest that's propelling our temperatures upward. The winds will pick up on Monday and Tuesday as we have a front that's going to blow through, and temperatures are tumbling back into the mid to lower 50s by the middle of next week. Pocatello highs around 71 for Friday, 75 on Saturday, and Easter Sunday will be hanging out into the mid 70s with some gusty winds and a partly mostly cloudy outlook. As we head to Blackfoot, you'll see similar conditions here with a high of 74 on Saturday, 73 on Sunday for Easter, with temperatures overnight back into the upper 30s to lower 40s. Rexburg, temperatures warming. We're peaking in the upper 60s for Saturday and Sunday with some gusty winds, and we'll carry that wind into the early half of next week for Monday and Tuesday. Salmon, you'll have temperatures warming up as well. Salmon, Chalice, Stanley also getting pretty breezy at times with these passing cold fronts. Highs just shy of 70 degrees on Saturday afternoon. Numbers tumble back just a little bit on Easter Sunday, but we have Jackson Hole seeing highs here at 58 for Friday, 62 on Saturday with 63 on Sunday. And then we have a bit of some wet weather for next week, but even then for next week, it's not going to be a major storm. Looks like it's more of a quick little weather disturbance that's going to slide through. But Easter weekend, guys, windy but warmer. We'll take the good, we'll take the bad, right?